This is how I make my iced matcha lattes. First, we're soaking the whisk in warm water. Bamboo can be brittle when it's dry, so this will prevent breakage of the prongs. Today we are drinking matcha samidori, which is quite versatile. It has slightly astringent and creamy notes and a bit of a sweet aftertaste, so no sugar needed. Today we're going to be using usucha or thin tea to make the iced latte, so take 2 scoops of the chashaku or the wooden spoon, and that should be roughly 2 grams. Once that's done, we sift the matcha, but very gently because pressing against the sieve too hard may cause the chashaku to chip over time. To clean the chashaku, just wipe very thoroughly using a dry linen cloth, never use water. Now the matcha is ready for brewing. I use water that's heated to 80 degrees Celsius, but you can use water at 70 degrees or lower for a more mellow flavor. I like to begin by slowly combining the mixture, and then we start whisking very briskly using our wrist, not our arm, in an M kind of zigzag motion. This zigzag motion will aerate the matcha, and the key is to get a nice layer of foam on top. To me, this is the best part. It feels so cathartic. Gently whisk the top to get rid of any big bubbles, and now you have a nice bowl of matcha. You can drink this as is, but today we're going to make an iced latte with it. Now enjoy some iced latte making ASMR. If you're still here after all that, thank you for watching, and I'm no expert, just a matcha enthusiast, but